Whoa, 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 guys, you see that helicopter? That's us in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. We'll get back to the helicopter soon, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the drawer of hypercar and supercar insanity. Let's see, what do we want today? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Chicago. It is Saturday, we're here Sunday. On Monday, we are flying back to Utah. I don't really know what we're doing in today's video, but at some point, we're gonna get pizza, Chicago-style pizza. Each and every day, I try my best to hook you up. I am putting my life on the line. We're gonna get a cold start up on this Lamborghini Aventador. I don't know if it's a stock exhaust or not, it could be, but it's gonna be very loud. I've been trying my best to convince Clayton to buy an F430 coupe. If you think he should buy it, smash the like button. If today's video gets 35,000 likes, he's buying a 430. You hear that, Clayton? 35,000 likes, you have to buy a 430. We got you on camera. 35,000 likes, you're buying a 430. Is that okay, Faith?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it. Bugatti Veyron over, that's cool. That's nonsense, because there is a gold LP640 Roadster. I think this is a manual. I think it might be a manual. We just found an LP640 Roadster with a manual transmission, guys. One of 7 in North America. This car, unfortunately, is not for sale, and even if it was, I can't actually afford it. But there may or may not be an LP640 coming to a vlog near you. Life Apollos, you snaked me. How did you catch that? All I said, it was very subtle in his video. If you've not seen his video, go check it out. Also, congrats to Life Apollos for hitting 100,000. Maybe to celebrate, I should buy an LP640. Yeah. I should.
For Life Apollos.
For Life Apollos. Yes. Go, 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 go. SLS-AMG, no. Yes, we made it, we're good. Enjoy this view because we're running very late. You see that Audi right in that service center? That's where we're headed. 3, 2, 1. Audi. Whoa. Oh, a V12. No, it's a V8 turbo. Heyo, check that out. Tachometer, speedometer. So we're in the Lusso T. We're headed that way to B-Rogue Performance. B-Rogue Built. Let's go on in. How we're rolling, check this out. If you live in the Midwest and you like twin turbo Lamborghinis, this is the spot. Whoa, it's just like this hidden cave in the outskirts of Chicago. I rode in Damon's twin turbo Huracan, last week in Los Angeles. Ever since that moment, I've been trying to decide, going back and forth, do I twin turbo my Lamborghini Gallardo? And well, I know I want to, I know that. We need to have a little one-on-one session. I want to twin turbo my Gallardo. I want to do it so bad. My only issue is, like, I have a first-gen manual Gallardo. It's ultra pure. I don't know if I want to ruin the purity of that by slapping on a single turbo or twin turbo kit, but like, it would just completely change the car. I mean, we're talking 1,200 horsepower to the crank. That's around 1,000 wheel horsepower. This is a single turbo. I mean, just look at the size of that turbo. Oh, Damon, I blame you. Like, you took me for a ride in your twin turbo Huracan, first time ever in a twin turbo Huracan, and now I have that twin turbo bug. This is a single turbo Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. Just look at the artwork from B-Rogue Performance. This is just like mesmerizing to look at. Could you imagine rocking the Gallardo without a bumper? I think I should. We have a lot of things to consider. Either A, we twin turbo the 5-liter Gallardo, or B, Brandon was telling me that the 5.2 is a lot easier to twin turbo, so maybe we add a Gallardo to the collection, or we could twin turbo Murcielago, or we could twin turbo the Aventador. So, what do you, all of them? I can't. Yeah, Matt's saying we should do all of them. This is Matt's beautiful Superleggera. He thinks we should just twin turbo everything, even the Gladiator. So, yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, which vehicle should we twin turbo first? This exhaust weighs like, what, maybe 7.6 pounds? 7.6 pounds, whereas the factory Huracan exhaust is like 70 pounds or so.
Just about.
That is so cool. Titanium. Like, when in doubt, always go titanium. Like, if you're thinking about getting a stainless steel exhaust, don't do it. Go titanium, and also the coloration. That is so cool. B-Rogue Performance here in Chicago. This is not the last time we're gonna be here. Enjoy this view of this twin turbo Huracan because it's time for lunch. Check out this Acura NSX. This thing is awesome. You got the red wheels right here. And Girth Nation, I have never seen a full carbon wing on a second gen. See ya, bro. On a second gen NSX, we got the V8 Audi R8. So there's burgers like that way, that way, that way, and then right there. Actually, they might be that way, but it doesn't matter. I know this still kind of sort of looks like Chicago, but we've actually landed in Mexico. We're in Cozumel. So yeah, we're in Cozumel now. 100% this is not Mexico, or this is Mexico. I messed that up. We're in Mexico. This is take 2. Jeep Nation, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Jeep. We're gonna be doing this race again with the Gladiator soon, but we're not gonna be racing an SVR. We're gonna be racing a Lambo. More to come. That's a V8 Audi R8. How does it sound like that? How does that yellow R8 sound like that? And we're back to home sweet home. These guys have a tunnel. They have a tunnel in their driveway. Check out this driveway setup right here. We got 1 garage, 2 garage, 3 garage. We got an 812 Superfast, a Bentley Continental, E63. We got 488 GT3. We got the Lusso. This is sick. We got the pool down there. Goals. I'm starting to have some garage issues as far as storage. I need one of these 4-post lift. We got the GT3, the 488 Spider. I could put one of these in the back corner of my garage, put the Gallardo up top, and I don't know if the FF or the Mercy, wait, what? Whoa. I'm just kidding. I'm just saying all this nonsense so I get on Life Apollos and get featured. So there is definitely not an FF or a Mercy I shouldn't say that. Check this out though. It's like a car wheel. Whoa, next to an F50.
This is
breaker 1.
Breaker. Whoa, that's not good. That's not good. Oh no, we're so good. We haven't even taken off. We're good. Yeah, we're good. This is the Mumble Profile Show right here. This is it. This is sick. Chicago, you have to do this. This is so sick.
That was amazing.
So cool. Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it. That was cool. I have officially decided I need a helicopter in my life. That one back there, $325,000. Swap out the Aventador, swap out the Gallardo. I need to fly the friendly skies. So we're here at Vertiport, Chicago, and there's a bit of a supercar show going on. We got that Performante right there. I'm gonna hustle. I gotta hustle. So the speed limit here on the tarmac is 5 miles an hour, and I'm breaking that because, well, you know, I've been getting in shape. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
See ya. Take care. Chicago is hooking us up straight from the helicopter to the 812 Superfast. This is gonna be sick. So we're headed that way to Lake Forest. Willis Tower there, front and center. We were just in the helicopter, like right there. And yes, that used to be called the Sears Tower when I was a kid. Yes, that kind of sort of dates me, and I'm sorry for that, but we're in the 812 Superfast. We got the performance tachometer, speedometer right here. But unfortunately, we have traffic. Now we're rolling. Now we're rolling the 812 Superfast. You guys might remember the last time I was in one of these was in California. It was pouring rain, but God bless Illinois. We got sunshine and we got 800 horsepower.
Got a ton of run.
Yes. Oh, windows. Oh, yeah. Windows. Okay. The one thing I've discovered is rain or shine, the 812, the back end, still cannot put down traction. Is it possible to actually put down the traction in an A12?
I don't think so.
It's not, no,
Rain
it's
or
not.
shine, like you said, man, it wants to break loose.
This car is so sick. Yes. We flew from Utah to Chicago just for this. Like, honestly, we took a flight last night. We're flying home right afterward. Are you kidding me? That's real cheese, guys. Like, that's not the off-brand fake stuff you see. What? No way. Dude, unreal. Thank you so much. It's weird when you think about it. Every single decision I've made in my entire life has led me to this exact moment in time where I'm in Chicago, Illinois, eating deep dish pizza. And I'm very happy with that. In an exciting sequence in the vlog, we're hopping in the Performante. We may or may not do a pull, but we're gonna keep it under 55. I'm sure of it, right? Yeah. The Performante was nice, but now we're in a McLaren. So we're gonna give the British some love as well. Here at Ferrari of Lake Forest. Yeah, kids, hold on. It's got 675 metric horsepower. Oh my gosh. The brakes, they are sufficient. Can't confirm. Okay. Whew. Chicago just treated us very, very well. I am sweating excessively right now. Sometimes I go for ride-alongs in supercars and like, you kind of get the grandma experience. That was, I always forget how fast these cars are, and the fact that you're allowed to drive these cars on the road without a special license is crazy. 675 LT. Ooh, there's a tunnel right there. Brandon, where are you? Where'd you go? Did you do it for the viewers? Little hook it up? Yeah, dude, hooking it up for the viewers. Guys, this is what we do. We came all the way to Chicago just for this tunnel, just so you can hear Brandon's insane R8. Just for you guys, and the SVR too. It's right there.
I'm gonna hold the camera in.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, mate. I want my Aventador, like right now, I want my Aventador. Maybe if I get it twin turbo, well, that's all the more reason to get it twin turboed. Just so I can bring it to downtown Chicago and be obnoxious. That's what I specialize in. Also, the Lusso glass roof, moonroof thing is coming in clutch. We flew 1,900 miles, 4 hours just for you guys. We're out here chasing views on views. Clayton and Faith tell me there's a mirror that's shaped like a giant bean, and that's what we're going to check out, which is right there. Yeah, so this is the giant bean. Yep, welcome to downtown Chicago. The Sears Tower is like over there. If you're triggered that I said Sears, don't worry about it. This makes you dizzy, I'm sorry, but it's a giant bean in the center of Chicago. Look at the color on this Perf Spider. Whoa, that is sick. We're just waiting. Momentarily.
Food
How
vlog.
is it? Is it good?
Oh, it's amazing.
This is awkward. I forgot to film the amazing pizza that I just ate. Today's food vlog is over. I'm sorry. People are looking at me awkwardly too. I got to apologize. I cannot believe we did not film the food vlog. Clayton filmed it for his channel, so go check him out. Link in the description below.
I didn't though.
As always, on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out. Clayton, sing the song.